Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on Infinix Smart 6 HD. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here, begin the search for an app and enter Google Classroom. Install this app. And when it's done, open it. Hit Get Started, and right here you'll be also able to pick the account you want to use. So I'm just gonna go with this one. Click on this plus button, join class, enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after doing so, click on the join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.